Each of us possesses an immense reservoir of potential, strength, and purpose within us. Yet far too often, we allow others to manipulate, exploit, and diminish that power. We find ourselves tangled in situations where we feel powerless, where our voices are silenced and our dreams are overshadowed. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be this way. Refusing to be used isn't about being selfish or arrogant. It's about recognizing and honoring our inherent worth. It's about reclaiming control over our lives, our choices, and our destinies. It's about stepping into the fullness of who we are meant to be and refusing to settle for anything less. Let me ask you this. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you felt like you were being taken advantage of? Maybe it was your personal relationships, your career, or your community. Perhaps you felt obligated to say yes when you really wanted to say no. Maybe you allowed someone else's needs and desires to overshadow your own. Whatever the case may be, I want you to know that you are not alone. But here's the thing. You have the power to change your circumstances. You have the power to set boundaries, to speak your truth, and to pursue your dreams with unwavering determination. You have the power to refuse to be used. It starts with recognizing your own worth. You are not just a pawn in someone else's game. You are a unique and valuable individual with your own dreams, passions, talents. You deserve to be treated with respect, kindness, and dignity. And if anyone tries to use you for their own gain, it's time to take a stand. Refusing to be used also means knowing when to say no. It means setting boundaries and sticking to them, even when it's difficult. It means prioritizing your own well-being and happiness above all else. Saying no doesn't make you selfish or uncaring. It makes you strong and self-aware. It shows that you value yourself enough to stand up for what you believe in. But refusing to be used isn't just about saying no. It's also about saying yes to yourself. It's about embracing your passion, your dreams, and your purpose with unbridled enthusiasm. It's about living life on your own terms and refusing to let anyone else dictate your path. It's about trusting in your abilities and believing in your own potential. I urge you to refuse to be used. Stand tall in the face of adversity. Set boundaries that honor your worth. Say no to anything that diminishes your light. And above all else, say yes to yourself. Embrace your power. Embrace your purpose. And never, ever settle for anything less than you deserve. Remember, the world needs your unique gifts and talents. You have the power to make a difference, to inspire others, and to create positive change. But it all starts with refusing to be used. But go forth, with courage, confidence, and conviction. The world is waiting for you to shine. Remember the importance of surrounding yourselves with people who uplift and support us. Building a strong support network of friends, family, mentors, and allies is essential for staying true to ourselves and our goals. Together, we can create an opportunity where everyone is empowered to embrace their authenticity and pursue their dreams without fear of being used or exploited. We can lift each other up, celebrate each other's successes, and offer a helping hand when needed. But let us acknowledge that refusing to be used requires courage. It means stepping out of our comfort zones and facing our fears head on. It means confronting the voices of doubt and insecurity that may try to hold us back. It means standing firm in our convictions, even when the world around us seems to be pushing against us. However, I assure you that the rewards of refusing to be used far outweigh the challenges. When we refuse to be used, we reclaim our power and our agency. We become the architects of our own destinies, charting a course that is true to our hearts and our values. And let us not forget the ripple effect that refusing to be used can have on the world around us. When we refuse to be used, we inspire others to do the same. We become beacons of hope and possibility, showing others that they too can break free from the chains of manipulation and exploitation. In the face of such challenges, it's essential to draw upon the wellspring of strength that lies within each of us. We must tap into our inner reservoirs of courage, resilience, and determination. We must remind ourselves of our inherent worth, of the unique gifts and talents that we bring to the world. And most importantly, we must remember that we are not alone in this journey. Refusing to be used is not just a one-time decision. It's a daily practice of conscious choice that we must make anew each day. It requires vigilance, mindfulness, and a steadfast commitment to our own well-being. But the rewards of this journey are immeasurable. A sense of empowerment, of liberation, of knowing that we are living our lives on our own terms. Stand tall in your worth and your value. Set boundaries that honor your dignity and your autonomy. Say no to anything that threatens to dim your light. And as you embark on this journey, know that you do not walk alone. You have a community of like-minded souls standing beside you, cheering you on every step of the way. Together, let us refuse to be used. Together, let us create a world where everyone is free to shine brightly and live authentically.